They say Alcatraz is just a tourist trap now, a shell of its former self. But some believe the island never stopped being a prison, especially for the souls that never left. In 2023, Ryan Carter, a 32-year-old urban explorer and amateur paranormal investigator, took the last ferry to the Rock. It was part thrill-seeking, part documentary project. He never expected what he'd find, or what would find him. Ryan had explored haunted asylums and crumbling hospitals before, but Alcatraz was different. Its cold, salt-bitten walls seemed to breathe, a rhythm like something alive and angry. He started in cell block D, the hole. This was solitary confinement, dark, silent, and said to be cursed. Prisoners once went mad in these cells. Some clawed at the walls. Others begged to be let out. One never stopped screaming. As Ryan walked deeper, the temperature dropped. His breath fogged. The EMF meter spiked to red. He paused outside cell 14D, the infamous screaming cell. It was said that a prisoner once died in this cell, murdered by something unseen. Guards found his body the next morning. Eyes wide in terror, throat torn open, hands frozen mid-scream. And yet, for hours before, other inmates swore they heard him screaming, pleading until he suddenly stopped. As Ryan walked deeper, the temperature dropped. His breath fogged. The EMF meter spiked to red. He paused outside cell 14D, the infamous screaming cell. He turned to leave, but the door wouldn't budge. His GoPro picked up what his eyes couldn't see. A figure standing in the corner, human-shaped, but too tall, too thin. It shivered like static. The whisper rose to a wail. A scream, blood-curdling, soul-twisting, burst through the cell. Ryan covered his ears, but it wasn't just sound. It was inside him, rattling his bones, clawing through his thoughts. He saw flashes. The original inmate, writhing, eyes bulging, mouth open in an endless howl. Then another man, and another, all screaming, all trapped, layered upon each other like echoes through time. Then silence. Ryan woke up just before sunrise. The door was open. His equipment was fried, but his GoPro was still recording. In the footage, a figure of darkness loomed over him, its mouth wide and bottomless, screaming into his soul. But the scream was reversed, like a soul being sucked in. He left Alcatraz that morning, never to return. He never released the footage, but someone did, an anonymous upload titled, Cell 14D Screaming Spirit, Raw Footage. The last frame showed Ryan's face, and his eyes, once blue, now pitch black. Some say the screaming cell didn't just scare him, claimed him. So if you visit Alcatraz and you hear a scream deep in the night, don't follow it. Don't go looking for cell 14D, because if you listen too long, you might start screaming too.